Hey, how's it going, guys? Let's see what key comic books are coming out for May 29th, 2019. All right, so my first book is, I'm already picking this book up because it looks really cool, but it's also key. It's actually called Horror Comics #1. This book's about a local ice cream man that serves the community some delicious ice cream. And he has such unique flavors. From the flesh of his murder victims, of course. Next up, we got Angel #1, which is actually like the 4th volume of Angel, but it is a premiere of a new series, so better check it out. I'm liking this cover. This is the B cover, if I'm not mistaken. Next up, we got Katrina #1, which is pretty cool because it takes place during Hurricane Katrina time down in New Orleans, and it actually has that mythology behind it of the vampires in America. That sounds really cool. Kind of like that TV show, The Originals. Comment down below if you've seen that. It's a pretty good show. Next up, we got Killer Groove #1. Now, this book takes place in the 1970s with a struggling musician that's just having a real rough time. But he finds a brand new career as a hitman. And it just so happens that he gets inspired to make music as a hitman. I don't know, man. The cover looks cool, and I'm thinking about taking a dive at it, but it is a new comic. Next up, we got Doomsday Clock #11. A cover, B cover, fire. My favorite is B cover. But anyway, this is a key comic because it actually has like the origin of Dr. Manhattan and how he actually fits into the DC universe. So that's actually really I'm really looking forward to this. Next up, I believe this is like a $9.99 book, $10 book, Superman Leviathan Rising, issue #1. This is cool because it's going to be a set of different stories by different artists and writers showcasing the events of Leviathan's actions. So that's like a must pick up, right? Next key we got coming up, I'm super excited for because I've been trying to get the full run of this damn series. Is Spawn 297. Now 296 was the beginning of the start of the entire summary of Spawn thus far, and this is part 2 of that. So the next continuation, and I think they're going to do this all the way up to 300. Next up, we got Rick and Morty, issue #50. Super freaking cool. Man, I don't have too many of these books, but I've been enjoying them. Anyway, what makes this a key is that it's going to be the anniversary oversized edition, so that's something to look forward to. I got to talk about my SpiderMan, and there's nothing really key about this except for the cover, which I don't really consider covers keys, but I just had to throw this one in there because it's Lucio Perillo doing Amazing Spider-Man, issue 22. Man, I gotta say, after meeting Perillo, I'm kind of a fan, you know? I'm sure everyone's gonna go out and get this one, the Immortal Hulk, issue 18. So this is the key because it's gonna be the first appearance of the new Abomination. Since we're talking about Immortal Hulk, there's gonna be a 5th reprinting, if I'm not mistaken, of Immortal Hulk, issue #2. It's gonna be a virgin variant of that Alex Ross. Beautiful stuff, man. All right, next key we got coming out, Thanos #2. And it's gonna be actually the origin of the Black Order, so you know, I know a lot of people picked up that Thanos one, and I heard really, really good things about it, so probably should pick this one up too. And you know, I had to save the best for last because these are my favorite characters. We got Detective Comics Annual #2. Really cool because it's gonna have a reintroduction of the Reaper. And then the last one, Batman Last Night on Earth. Man, I hope they knock this damn book out the park because I've been looking forward to this. I'm so freaking thrilled and excited for this damn book to come out. Oh man, I think my eyes just went cross-eyed. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. So stay tuned to the next one. Peace.